Are you still a human?
For centuries, humans adapted to survive. First, we battled nature. Then, we built machines. And eventually, we became parts of those machines. Tools, efficient, but disconnected from purpose. Today, nearly 80% of workers globally feel disengaged or dissatisfied, trapped in routines without meaning. But the landscape is shifting rapidly. By 2030, automation and AI could displace up to 800 million jobs worldwide. Routine roles in manufacturing, retail, transportation, and even finance are among the most vulnerable. Over 20 million manufacturing jobs globally are expected to disappear by 2030 due to automation. Retail cashier positions are projected to shrink by 95% within the next decade, replaced by AI and self-checkout. In transportation, autonomous vehicles could eliminate 4.5 million driving jobs in the US alone by 2035. Yet, this disruption isn't a threat, it's an invitation. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's redefining them. Creativity, critical thinking, and innovation. These unique human qualities are becoming the skills of the future. Jobs requiring creativity are growing 25% faster than routine occupations. Demand for creative industries is set to double by 2030. Freelance and independent work is projected to make up over 50% of the US workforce by 2027. Now is the moment to reclaim our humanity, to stop living as tools defined by productivity and start living as creators. Your life, your story, your purpose, these can be automated. AI will handle the task, but who shaped the world? That's our job now. It is time to become human again. It is time to become the new hero.